please. So this is the finished look.
Damage is done, but car's getting washed. Slap the toilet paper. Turn it into a mask.
I don't know how they were able to get this in a bottle.
I'm gonna need my money back.
It's the jacket for me, sis.
You like the jacket?
I really can't show you guys in my room right now. It looks crazy. What's neat?
Oh, period.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. What's good, Stush Gang? Welcome and welcome back to another day of Stushmas. Today is Stushmas day 25. You've been rocking with me for 25 days straight. Shout out to you. Merry Christmas to you. Happy holidays to you. So, as you guys can see, I'm at my Christmas jammies. But before we start this video off, if you haven't already, make sure you leave this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe down below. It's Christmas. The greatest gift I could get is for you to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, you're the gift in itself, okay? So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. And don't forget to also follow me on Instagram at the Stush Life. I'll also be announcing the giveaway winner in this video, so definitely stay tuned. And the last giveaway is actually going to be done on Instagram. By the time you guys watch this video, I think I'll keep it up so you can go ahead and join if you haven't already. But yeah, I've already opened Christmas gifts. I've already showered and all that good stuff, okay? I just want to insert a few clips and pictures because we did my mom and I did take pictures, and I also want to show you guys the sorrel that we made. I'm Jamaican, so we are making Christmas dinner, small Christmas dinner, because it's just us two, and we started making sorrel, which is a Caribbean drink. So I'm going to insert videos and clips for that. Oh, sorrel is loading. What are we doing? We taking out the trash, straining the sorrel, discarding of that, and then we're going to sweeten and add alcohol, my favorite part. So you guys saw what I did this morning. You guys saw some of the gifts that I got, but I am about to head out. I have two gifts to drop off, my goddaughter's gift and my twins gift, so I'm gonna go do that. We also need to go to the liquor store really quickly to get port wine to add to the sorrel because we ran out of the wine that we need to add to it. And we'll be back to cook and complete the rest of the vlog. Let me go ahead and head out. I'm bringing you guys with me, so let's go.
Where's the snow?
I don't like this, but got the gifts, dropping off. And yes, I'm still in my pajamas. Okay, I'm at my twin's house now. I'm waiting for her to come down so I can give her her gift. And then I'm going to go to the liquor store because we need to get the alcohol for the sorrel. And then I'm going to my goddaughter's house to drop off her second gift. So we're making moves, making moves, making moves. Still being Santa. So cute. I love when buildings decorate. Merry Christmas! Hi, Snow! How you doing? Hi! It is! I did! Girl, I don't know how much this one is. Trey, you want to be okay? Hi!
Let me flip my hair out.
Girl, your hair don't have to be out.
What is that?
Hey, Trey. You going on camera? Hey. The Samblescape. It's giving HGTV. Huh? Oh, it's giving HGTV. We love it.
Why this though?
Okay, we're finally back in the house. Music is playing. We're trying to get this dinner up and ready to eat by 6. Let's see if we can do it. 2 hours, maybe 5:30. We're going somewhere. Rice and peas going. Sorrel, we're about to add the alcohol. Okay, I wanted to hop back on here since I feel like I haven't spoken much during the vlog. But right now, cooking dinner. So what's on the menu is escabeche fish. Just one big fish. We're gonna cut it in half because it's just myself and my mom, as I mentioned. If I didn't already mention, it's just us two. So we got escabeche fish. We got garlic, rosemary, mashed potatoes that you saw me making. We've got honey cornbread that I just put in the oven, waiting for that. Plantains. Mixed vegetables and gungo rice. I don't know what those are called in the regular supermarkets. I don't know, it's a kind of piece. That's what we're making. Did I miss anything? And we have sorrel, of course. The sorrel is kicking, very much so kicking, okay? What else? Oh, I'm making crab cakes too. And that's it, because tomorrow we're going to be doing a bigger dinner since my dad is coming home tomorrow. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm hungry. I'm excited. We haven't had any breakfast. Usually that's how it is on Christmas and Thanksgiving. Let me know, do you usually eat breakfast in the morning on Thanksgiving or on Christmas? Because we don't. We just wait until dinner's ready. So yeah, once everything is ready, I'll show you guys that. I didn't actually insert a video of anything that I got. I'm not going to show you guys everything. I'm just going to show you guys two things that I really enjoyed. And you guys already saw me open gifts with Derica in Stushmas Day 23. Yes, so make sure you guys check that out if you haven't already. I did that last year and I want to do it again this year, and I dropped off gifts to my friends as well. So I hope you guys enjoy your gifts if you're watching. But I'll show you guys really quickly what I got. So backstory, Derica wanted to buy me this. I was gonna buy myself this. You guys heard me talking about buying this because my stylist broke, but my mom got it. And when I say I was gonna order it last night, but I'm like, let me wait because I could just go in Target and pick it up. She beat me to it. So we got the Apple Pencil. What did the meme say? I want an iPad for Christmas with the little pen. Yep, I need that. Got the little pen, aka the pencil. And random, but one of my coworkers bought me, or gave me this. It came in a little baggie, just like a little cute gift, along with a little candle. I just started, it's been a little over a month. So when they gave me gifts, I was like, oh my god, I didn't expect this, but thank you so much. But she gave me a totes umbrella. I love totes umbrellas, and it's pink. Love umbrellas. I hate when it rains and I have to be outside, but I like cute umbrellas. That I see y'all, I got more stuff, but that's all I'm going to show y'all. But because it's not about the gifts, it's not about the gifts, it's family time, it's baby Jesus, and yeah, that. So yeah, I'll most likely check in again once food is ready and we're eating. We might go to Diker Heights tonight, we might. So I want to get this video up in a timely manner so that if we are going to Diker Heights, you know, y'all, I'm not coming back home to edit it. But if we are going to Diker Heights, I'll let you guys know. I'll put a little thing up on the screen, and definitely follow me on Instagram because I'll be posting over there, okay? Oh, fish, look at that. Currently making the crab cakes. They look really good. And this is the cornbread. I said wow. Woo. Things are happening. All right, y'all ready to see what the plate is looking like? We are very hungry. It is currently 5:55. Didn't I say 6 o'clock? Oh. I be knowing. Let me show y'all the plate. Didn't add the cornbread, but this is the plate. So we got the crab cake, the mashed potatoes, garlic mash, the plantains, the rice and beans, rice and gungo peas, the veggies, and the escabeche fish. This is my mama's plate with the fish. Same setup. I don't know how we about to eat all this. Plus the, oh, thank you for my cornbread. Plus the cornbread. Thank you, Jesus. Not a lot of people get this meal, okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Very grateful, very thankful. Cheers. Cheers.
Now, when you viewed my clients, how far away were you?
About 50 feet.
Okay, guys, I am back. We finished eating. We're so full. Dinner was so good. Are we going to Diker Heights? See, the itis kicked in. Now she don't want to answer. Now we're not going nowhere. I'll update you guys. Just definitely tap into my stories. You'll see if I do go, if I don't go. But we're going before January, hopefully. Fingers crossed. But I am about to go ahead and end the vlog out. It wasn't long. I was looking at the clips like, wow, I felt like I recorded so much footage, but apparently I didn't. But listen, you have 24 other videos to catch up on if you haven't already. So that's just how the cookie crumbles. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Before I end day 25 out, I want to go ahead and shout out the giveaway winner for the $50 gift card. I'm going to go ahead and insert the name here. Ding! Congratulations. I'll be reaching out to you on Instagram if I haven't already. And if I don't hear from you by Monday, I'll be choosing someone else. So be on the lookout for my message. And that's really it. I hope you guys really enjoyed Stushmas 2021. When I say it was a very stressful December, you know, if you've been watching it from the beginning, between me losing my wallet, I got flat tires. I don't even think I recorded that, but it's just been a hectic one. I've been working 2 jobs plus doing YouTube. It's been a long and challenging month, but I'm so happy that I did it. It really pushed me to my limit. Really pushed me to my limit. And it just proved that, you know, I could get it done if I put my mind to it. So thank you guys so much for watching this series in its entirety. Thank you guys so much for being here as soon as the video drops. Thank you guys so much for just continuously encouraging me, all my friends, all of you guys in the comments. I really and truly appreciate it. I'm so grateful for you guys. I hope you guys are having a happy holiday season. You guys will most likely be seeing me in the new year. I do not foresee me filming any videos and uploading it between now and January 1st. So once again, I hope you guys really enjoyed the series. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I really and truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. And until 2022, it sounds so weird to say. Until 2022, I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys. Still sipping my soda. It's like my second cup. Cheers to another successful year of Stushmas. We did it, Joe.